bead spinner versus threading it from a cup. I'm going to show you why I love this new item. It's not actually new, but it's new to me, and it may be new to you. Okay, the new bead spinner. I just love this guy. I've used it for a couple projects already. One thing you cannot use it for is for beads like this, the fancier ones. And also, I don't believe that you can use them for your gemstones, your natural cut gemstones. It'd be a little bit difficult to do that. So let me demonstrate what you can use it with. And this item is in your description below. It's not that expensive. You're going to love it. Get your wire and just place the wire in the spinner and just slowly feed it on. Grab it. It depends on how many beads that you actually need on. But just keep going until you're satisfied with the amount. I mean, there's just nothing simpler. And you're good to go for all your projects. I'll just twist this for reference, and let's do it the old-fashioned way. One at a time, and it usually one at a time, and it takes a lot of time. And why would you want to do that when you can use that? The wood bead spinners come in different sizes. I believe I purchased this one from Amazon, and the link will be in the description below. If you like this video, got anything from it, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and happy beading.